Hello and welcome back to the vlogs. You have unlocked the next location, Brussels, Belgium. I'm gonna be here for a month, so take you around on my adventures like I did in Paris. And today we're gonna go explore a little bit inside the city of Belgium. So we're gonna go do that. We're staying a bit outside in one of the little outskirts suburbs kind of vibe. So yeah, I'll take you along with us to show you what we get up to today. Hold on, can you swing us? We just got back and we put all our groceries and now we're gonna go change into comfy clothes and we're gonna go walk in the park, and it looks like twilight, so I'm gonna film. This is the skin of a killer, Bella. We are back, another day, another adventure, and today we're going vintage shopping, so let's get doing that. Cheers. Just me and my truffle chips against the world. Okay, we just got back from thrifting and eating and all that, and now we're going to the Italian grocery store, and it's about to rain, so wish us luck. Forgot to film in the Italian store, but we're gonna go run. I'm gonna go run. Day 2 of vintage shopping. So fun, so cute. But you know, alas, they're Japanese, not Philippine like.
Yeah, I'm a fan of gaming.
We're back now. We line danced at the park, and now I'm making dinner, and I showered and everything. I didn't end up buying anything from the stores today. Sad, because none of them fit really, or I didn't like them. I really wanted these boots, but they're a size too small. They're so cute, but I literally couldn't even bend on them, or else I would have bought them. But yeah, I'm gonna make dinner, and then tomorrow, or like one of these days in this vlog, I wanna like show you all the pieces I got in Paris, and like I'll also film something for my Instagram and or TikTok, and yeah. But I also gotta paint my nails, so we're gonna be doing that tonight, just vibing. Hello! We are off today to explore a part of Brussels we haven't gone. I forget the neighborhood, but I will put it here. And yeah, you just saw me make breakfast slash lunchish. I don't know, I had breakfast, then I went on a run, then I had breakfast for lunch. So yeah, we're gonna go and explore, so let's go. Orion. Fairy circle. Doing fairy circle things. I love finding fairy circles of mushrooms and trees and stuff. And that is it for the Brussels vlog. Stay tuned for more Belgian vlogs, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.